Okay, we have a LEBLOND-MAKINO servo shift engine lathe, model 15 Regal, serial number 14C452. This machine was new in 1985 and we're going to run it for you. Machine has inch and metric threading capability from 45 up to 1800 RPM. You have right now we're at the low, which is 45. You have a L1 spindle threaded nose with a 2 and 17/64 spindle hole. He went forward and reverse at 45 RPM so far. We're going to go up. He's shifting, it's oscillating, made the shift. 95 RPM. Machine has a 6-jaw chuck on it. Travel thread dial indicator, 256, Alora's tool post with a BXA model. Quick change.
We're going to go feed?
Yep, we're going to feed. Longitudinal feed. Cross. You can also reverse on the carriage. Longitudinal going the other direction. Cross going the other direction. Okay, that's the half nut. He's engaging it and we're threading. Again, the machine does have travel dial and a thread dial. All right, 7.5 horsepower. Also, there's a tail stock. Tail stock has a number 4 Morse taper. There's a Jacobs drill chuck in the tail stock. Why don't we?
Are we going to go higher speed?
Yeah, we're going to do a high speed. Again, this machine is nice and quiet. 654 RPM.
One more.
One more, why not? Spindle brake. Okay, forward and reverse. Okay. That's 937. All right, hey, that was pretty fast. Hey, thank you for watching our video.